You look at the birds? Hey? Hey, you look at the birds? Welcome to Rural Living with Paul and Gwen. You have to excuse the noise, got the heater on for them. There's Skittles he's watching from afar. What are you after, Pia? Hey, what are you after? He's getting fixed in the month. She's getting fixed next week because she's in heat. And I think that they've been doing the hillbilly thing. Oh, you stay out of the room. That's where all Skittles food is. So trying to keep these cats segregated while he feeds is a chore, to say the least. Nope, don't go in there. Go say hello to Skittles. Go on. What? What? What do you want? What do you want? Hey? Hey, hey, don't bite. Hey. See, there's toleration there. Hey, this one plays rough. Hey, quit being a semi-feral cat. You'll be slowing down when you lose your little dirts in the back. So, yeah, I don't know why this thing's fading in and out. Hey, stop it. Anyhow, yeah, this is kind of a fast pan video. Toys everywhere. Everything's upside down in here. Skittles doing pretty good with his diabetes. A few little hiccups along the road. Hey, buddy. You're hanging in there, aren't you? Eh? Yes, good boy. He's going through a lot of stuff. You want outside, don't you? You're not going out. You're an inside cat now. You're the prisoner. You're a prisoner in here. Out. No, you're not going out. Got too much invested in you guys. Too much time, effort, and money. Especially after getting fixed. That's going to be big bucks. Yeah. Anyhow, not the best video, I'm sorry. They're taking over the house, these two. We'll talk to y'all later. Like I said, he's getting fixed the end of the month, and she's getting fixed next week, so I'll keep you posted. Okay, folks, have a good day. Goodbye.